Today at EVG Lone Star, we got a Volvo XC90 that had a problem with the drains over the sunroof. It was draining and it was flooding internally. Upon discovery, we find out that the drains were disconnected due to shrinkage of the actual pipes that drain on the A pillar. I extended that, removed the original setup, and tested on a really big storm that we had today here in Houston. And as you can see, it is working flawlessly. Now, this is part of the service that needs to be done every year for any vehicle that has a sunroof, especially in the areas like here, Houston, where we get rain and the rain is serious. The systems are not sealed. They are just allowing certain amount of water to drain, and they have to drain fast. If they don't drain fast and then plugged up, then you have flooding in your carpet and smells and electronics failures and all kinds of stuff. So it's very important to be done, and also to get it diagnosed properly, so if you caught it on time, you don't have any major problems, and allow it to be fixed, clean, and smell good, and not have any issues in inclement weather like what we have been having. This is some serious rain here, and as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. Still, it's a little bit of stain of where the hoses were disconnected, and yeah, it's a pretty good repair, because that's what you get: stains and mold and wetness. Not good, very sad. So that's what we do here at EVG Lone Star.